Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the DXGI error device hung on your Windows computer. So hopefully it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. Just want to left click on that one time to open up Device Manager here. So once Device Manager is open, you want to expand the display adapter section. Either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it. Take note of whatever display adapter is listed under here because this will come in use later on, and this will be different depending on your computer. So you want to right click on it, left click on Update Driver. You want to search automatically for updated driver software. So just give it a moment here to run. So it might say that the best drivers for your device are already installed. This is really not that uncommon of an issue to run across here. So if it doesn't not find something, that'll be the next step of the tutorial. But if it did, I would suggest just following along the instructions, let it install, and hopefully that should address the problem. Restart your computer, and I would hope the best. If you restart your computer after that point, you're still having problems, I'm going to move into the next part of the video, and that would be to go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to have a couple links in the description of the video to different sites, so AMD or NVIDIA, and you'll be able to find different drive information through there. So if you want automatic driver updates, you guys would probably want to go right to the source. So I'm going to just open up AMD's here. There's really no preference, obviously it just depends on whatever's showing up underneath Device Manager. And you're welcome to select your product from the list here. So NVIDIA is pretty similar as well. And you know what, honestly, if you didn't see your product in the list or you weren't sure, if you went back to Google here, you probably could go through their website again and search for it. But we're going to be looking for an automatic utility that will go out and search for it. So I'm going to just type in AMD driver automatic, just something like that, and you see there's a source that says AMD driver auto detect from support.amd.com. NVIDIA is the same way, so if you click on that, so instead of the first link I'm going to include, which will be to actually go ahead and search for your product, you might be able to just go on Google and get an auto detect utility right from the source as well. So pretty straightforward, and I do have this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.